Are you stumped on what to text her? Do you not quite get to make a woman fall in love with you through texting? Texting is a powerful way to flirt, if you know what you are doing. You want to start looking at texting like you are creating short, modern poetry. Women respond powerfully to words, which is one reason why erotic novels are so popular. When women read these stories, they are able to create elaborate fantasies in their mind, which are very pleasurable. The same principle can be used in your text messages. Using your texts like art, you can create a fantasy in her mind that can make her strongly attracted to you. But with any new form of communication, a set of rules can help you learn the basics. These texting guidelines can then help you to modify to suit your needs. The 9 rules how to make a woman fall in love with you through texting. Leave her with a smile. Don't text her about boring stuff. Each text you send should aim at making her smile. If your text doesn't, then maybe you should call or discuss it the next time you see her. Keep it short. 2 to 3 sentences should be the longest message you send. Communicate one idea. Just focus on one topic at a time. Don't substitute texting for dates or phone calls. In between dates, texting is a great way to maintain your connection or even increase it. But don't substitute calling her or hanging out with her by sending her a message. Create playful and flirtatious banter. Be as playful and fun as you can. I recommend referencing conversations that you've already had or jokes that you've already made together. Start an inside joke with her. Some guys like to make up a fun nickname to tease her. Or focus your attention on something unique about her and ask her questions about that. What is she studying? What are her hobbies? Keep pushing it. Texting offers an easy way to bring up sex and flirtation. I'd suggest that you always be slightly pushing the envelope. Say what you are thinking, ask her short questions to learn more about her, let her know what you are doing in detail or maybe what you would like to do with her. Push it or flirt, but be very aware of how she is reacting to you. A lot of women will go right along with you, while others will be more reserved. Use descriptive words. Use words that really describe what you are trying to say. Describe the colors, textures, smells, thoughts, or feelings to write what you mean. Just don't go overboard. 1 to 2 per text is enough. Keep it positive. Don't deal with anything negative over text messages. Keep these for conversations on the phone or in person. Know when to respond. There is an art to knowing when to text her back that differs for every relationship. The basics of when to respond are: don't keep texting if she hasn't responded to your last message. She's probably going to think you're too needy. Wait for about the same amount of time she did in between texts. If she's waiting a few hours to respond, don't always text her back in a few seconds. Otherwise it'll seem you have nothing going on your life or needy. Sometimes you will exchange texts back and forth quickly, while other times you will get into your life and wait a little to text her. Don't focus too much on knowing when to text, just like a great life that you are proud of, and get back to her when you can. What if she is always slow to return your texts, or you have to send a couple of texts to get her to respond? Move on. Don't waste time on a woman who isn't interested. There are a lot more women who will be. Don't over-focus on just one woman. Follow these 9 rules on how to make a woman fall in love with you through texting. You will see an immediate change in her response.